Good morning, dear children of class 4. This is your computer class. I wish you a very happy morning. And we were discussing about the repeat command in Logo. From the last three classes, we are discussing this only. So, first of all, I have made you understand what is repeat command. So, I explained you to avoid repetition of same command in Logo, we use repeat command. Some commands we repeat again and again to draw figure. As I have explained you here, you can see in this square, we had used FD100, RT90, FD100, RT90, FD100, RT90, FD100, RT90. So this FD100, RT90, we have used here 4 times. So that we will not do. We will not repeat same command again and again. To avoid this, we use repeat command because repeat command helps us to write repeated command only once. This was the definition which I have told you to write in your fair copy. So my dear children, you also will write this definition in your fair copy and then you will mention this figure and command to draw figure with the help of repeat command. Then I have explained to you that how will you understand that here you are turning your turtle right side 90. So in triangle, hexagon, pentagon and all figure we will turn 90 only or what? No. To understand this I have told you, you will see how many sides are there and how many turns are there in your figure. If there are 4 equal sides are there, then there will be repeat 4 and turn also will be 360 by 4. If there are 3 sides in figure like triangle, I have explained you here. If you want to use repeat command to draw figures, then if you are drawing triangle and in triangle there are 3 sides, all 3 sides are equal. So we will write repeat 3, side value once only, that is every 200, and my turtle will make one full round, and in this full round it will take 3 turns. So I wrote here 360 by 3. You can see here 1, 2, 3. 3 times my turtle will turn and it will come back at home position. There are 4 sides, all are equal. Repeat command we can use in that figure only where all sides are equal. So here you can see all 4 sides are equal. So I wrote repeat 4 every 200 RT. Full round divided by 4, that is 360 by 4. Division will give you 90. So you can write repeat 4 every 200 RT 90 also. In pentagon I told you there are 5 equal sides. So 5 turn also are here. So you will write repeat 5 every 200 RT 360 by 5, or instead of RT 360 by 5 you can write RT 72 also. In hexagon there are 3 equal sides. So to draw this hexagon you will write repeat 6 side value every 200, under bracket you will write every 200 and turn is right side, so RT 360 by 6. Then repeat 6 every 200. Instead of RT 360 by 6, if you will do division, you will get 60. Means after drawing one line, my turtle will turn 60 degree on each turn. Heptagon 7 sides. So 7 turn, repeat 7 every 200, RT 360 by 7. Octagon 8 sides, repeat 8 every 200, RT 360 by 8. As many sides are there, that many turns are here. So my dear children, after decagon, now I would like to teach you one new figure. After octagon, nanogon here. Nanogon 9 sides, side value 200, repeat 9 every 200, RT 360 by 9. And decagon 10 sides, side value 200. So this command will be repeat 10 every 200, RT 360 by 10. As many sides, that many turn. So that only we will write here. And also I told you to write about all the commands, definition, PU, PD, P, everything in your copy and learn it. Today we are going to discuss how to use repeat command to draw a rectangle. Do you know about rectangle, my children? If you have seen rectangle, then you might be knowing that in rectangle also there are 4 sides like a square, but all 4 sides are not equal like a square. In rectangle, 2 sides will be equal. Suppose this is 200, 200 and this is 400, 400. So opposite sides are equal. So first of all, we will use primitives. We will use primitives. We will use logo primitives, the command, to understand that which command we are repeating here and how many times we are repeating here. We will see. So my dear children, first of all, you must understand that in a rectangle, 2 opposite sides are equal. So we will see the primitives and we will come to know which command how many times we are repeating. So first of all, you can see here is your turtle. Your turtle will go straight till here. So you will write FD 200. This is enter key. Then you will turn your turtle clockwise, and this is quarter turn. So you will write here RT 90. Now your turtle came in right side. Then you will go this side to draw 400 step line. So you will write FD 400. 200, 400. These were two different lines. Now your turtle is here. Now again we need to turn my turtle clockwise quarter. So we will write RT 90. Now my turtle came down. You also make this arrowhead when you will draw the figure and you will write the command. With this we can understand where we are standing and where is the face of my turtle. Otherwise you will do mistake. So after RT 90 your turtle face is down. Now we will go this line which is 200 step. So we will write FD 200. Now my turtle face is down. We will turn it clockwise quarter. For that we will write RT 90. Now my turtle came in this direction. So I will draw the last line which is still here, FD 400. Figure over. My turtle face is this side, but as it was straight, again I will turn it clockwise quarter to make it straight as it was before. So I wrote here RT 90. This is the command to draw the rectangle. Once again, first of all my turtle was here. It will go straight, FD 200, then it will turn right side 90 degree quarter, RT 90, then it will go 400 step, then it will turn RT 90 quarter. Then it will go 200 step, FD 200. Again it will turn right side quarter, RT 90. Then it will go 400 step, FD 400, and it will turn RT 90 clockwise in right side. So this is the command to draw the rectangle. If you will follow this command, my dear children, then you will come to know these 4 commands. We are repeating 2 times. You can see here FD 200 RT 90, FD 400 RT 90. Again, this is first time. And again FD 200 RT 90, FD 400 RT 90. This is second time. So 2 times we are repeating 4 command. What does it mean? It means that if you want to draw this rectangle, here is your turtle. Your turtle will repeat the first set, FD 200 RT 90. So it will go forward FD 200, it will turn right side 90. Then you wrote FD 400 RT 90. So it will go FD 400 and it will turn right side. Try to understand, my dear children. This is the side of 200, this is the side of 400. So 200, 400 together. Once again I am repeating it. Concentrate your brain here please. 200, 400 together. If I will repeat 2 times, then this figure will appear. I want to tell you, as you saw before, in a square there were 4 sides, but all sides were equal. So I wrote repeat 4. I wrote repeat 4 FD 200 RT 360 by 4. Try to understand, dear children. Here you can see, here 4 sides are here, but all sides are not equal. So we have seen in primitives that 4 command we are repeating 2 times means FD 200 RT 90, FD 400 RT 90. If same set I will repeat it again, means FD 200 RT 90, and then from here to here FD 400 RT 90. So this 2 line, if you will repeat 2 times, then this figure is coming. 200, 400, this 2 line, if you will repeat 2 times, then this figure will come. 2 line, 2 times. 200, 400, 200, 400. Once again, 200, 400, 200, 400. Means 2 line, 2 times we have to repeat. That only we have noticed in primitives of rectangle. We have seen that 2 sides we are repeating 2 times. 2 times we are repeating. So when you want to draw the rectangle, you will write here repeat 2. You will not write repeat 4 because 2 times you are repeating. So it is like square but not square. So you will write repeat 2. And under the bracket you will write command like square, not one side 4 times. Here you have to write about 2 line. Here you have to write about 2 line 2 times, that is 200, 400. So here was my turtle. First I will go 200 step forward. So I will write here FD 200. I will turn it right side 90, RT 90, and the second side is 400. So FD 400 and RT 90. You can see here FD 200 RT 90, FD 400 RT 90. 2 line 2 times. My turtle will repeat and this figure will come. So this is the explanation of rectangle. In this figure we have seen that all 4 sides are not equal, but there are 2 sides, opposite sides are equal, that is 200 and 400. So we also have written like that our command repeat 2. FD 200 RT90, FD 400 RT90. This two pair, if my turtle will repeat 2 times, then this figure will appear. And it is very clear, it is quarter turn, 90-degree turn. Once again, another example I would like to give you. This is 400 150. This is another figure. So you can see, my dear children, 400 150 and again 400 150. Two lines, 2 times we will repeat in rectangle. In rectangle, 2 sides will be equal, the opposite sides. So here 4 sides are here. So repeat 4 we don't write. 2 sides, 2 times we will repeat. So here we will write repeat 2 under bracket. First I will go 400 step forward. So FD 400 LT90, FD 400 LT90 and FD 150 LT90. FD 150 LT90. Space are given in between, student. Must take care. Repeat space 2, FD space 400 space LT space 90 space FD space 150 space LT90 bracket close, enter key. So this is the command to draw the rectangle. I hope you understood this. If not, give me your feedback. Again, I will re-explain it. So this was the new thing which I would like to teach you today. How to draw rectangle in logo with the help of repeat command. Along with this, one more topic is left, that is circle to draw with the help of repeat command. So my dear children, after this we will discuss circles in logo with repeat command. How to draw circle. Very interesting topic it is, my dear children. Did you see circle? This is full circle. In this full circle, small 36 lines are there. In triangle there are 3 sides, square there are 4 sides, pentagon 5 sides, hexagon 6 sides, heptagon 7 sides, octagon 8 sides. So in circles, how many sides are there? 36 sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Like this, 36 sides are there. If you are seeing circle on screen, it look a very smooth circle, but small 36 broken lines are there. So we can tell in full circle there are 36 sides. So in half circle there will be 36 by 2 equal to 18 sides. And in quarter circle, 36 divided by 4. Quarter means anything divided by 4. Means there are 9 sides in quarter circle. Full circle means this is full circle. Half circle means this is full circle. Half circle. Half circle means either this is half circle or this is half circle. This also can be half circle. This also can be half circle. These are half circle. Half circle, 18 sides. 336 divided by 2. And this was half circle. And now we will talk about quarter circle. In quarter circle means this is your full circle. This full circle will be divided in 4 parts. Means 36 divided by 4. So you can see this is your 1 quarter. This is your another one. This is third. And this is 4. There are 4 quarters. So this is called quarter circle. In this there are 9 sides. Okay, my dear children. Full circle 36 sides. Half circle 18 sides. And quarter circle 9 sides. It means in this part of figure, this is quarter circle, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sides are there. In this half circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 sides are there. In full circle 36 sides are there, in half circle 18 sides are there, in quarter circle 9 sides are there. Did you understand, my dear children? Like in triangle there were 3 side, square 4 side, pentagon 5 side, hexagon 6 side. In full circle 36 sides are there, half circle 18 sides are there, and quarter circle 9 sides are there. So if you want to draw full circle, this is the figure. Here is your turtle. There are 36 sides and each side is FD10. There are 36 sides and each side is FD10. Then your command will be repeat 36, because 36 sides are there. Side value will be FD10 and turn. You are turning here clockwise. So you will write here RT. Your turtle will make a full round, and full round will be divided into 36 turn. 3 sides 3 turn, 4 sides 4 turn, 5 sides 5 turn, 6 sides there were 6 turn, 7 sides there were 7 turn. So here 36 sides are there. So here will be RT 360 divided by 36. Very easy, children. Or if you will do division 360 divided by 36, then your answer will come repeat 36 FD10 and RT also 10, because 360 when you will divide with 36, 10 answer will come. You can check division with 36 when you will divide 360, 36 1 is 36 and then 0, 10 is coming here. Okay, my dear children, if you want to draw a full circle, then your turn will be 10. So my dear children, this was the full circle. Here again, full circle only we will draw, but the turtle will be in different position. Now my turtle is at this position, side value FD10. So in the full circle there are 36 sides. So here we will write repeat 36 FD10 and turn will be LT 360 divided by 36. Because 360 is the full turn and 36 sides are there. So I wrote here divided by 36. Or you can write repeat 36 FD10 and LT also 10. Okay, my dear children. Now we will draw half circle. In half circle, I told you altogether there are 18 sides. You can see the figure here. This is half circle. So here what we will write? Here we will write repeat 18. Because 18 sides are there, side value FD10 and turn will be RT10. Here is a confusion, my dear children. When you are drawing another figure, if you are drawing triangle, then you are writing regarding turn 360 by 3, answer comes 120. In square 360 by 4, answer comes 90. In pentagon 5 side 360 by 5, answer comes 72. In hexagon 60. So in all figure you can see 120, 90, 72, 60. We are turning in different extent. But in circle always we will turn 10 only. Either you are making full circle, or you are making half circle, or you are making quarter circle. The question comes, why we turn 10 only whenever we want to draw circle? Try to understand, my dear children. This is rough work. When you are drawing triangle, or when you are drawing square, or when you are drawing pentagon, the way by which you turn, this is our turning point. This is our turning point. So the way by which we turn are not equal. Here we are breaking the turn in 360 by 3, it comes 120. Here we break the turn 360 by 4, it comes 90. Here we break the turn 360 by 5, it comes 72. But when we will draw the full circle, my turtle is here, it will follow this way. You can see your triangle will follow this way, the turtle. The ways are different. Means suppose this is Ram house address, this is Syam house address, and this is Mohan house address. All of their ways are not same. But here you see, if you want to draw a circle, then like this your turtle will go to draw the full circle. Means RT10 is the turn. If you want to draw half circle, then like this only your turtle will go. Means the way is same. Like triangle, square, pentagon, the way is not different of half circle. The way is same. Or if you will draw the quarter circle, then also the way is same. When we are turning in same way, so we will write here RT10 only, because the turn is same, the address is same. If my address, your home address is equal, we are living in same area, so we will write same address. That is why we are writing 10, either we are drawing full, half or quarter. So you will write here repeat 18, FD10, RT10. And if you are drawing quarter circle, there are 9 sides in quarter circle. This is your quarter circle. FD10. So if there are 9 sides, we will write repeat 9, FD10 and RT10, because here also the quarter circle turns are same. Okay, my dear children. So today till here only. I have taught you today rectangle and circle. You must write all this in your fair copy, learn it, revise it, practice 2 times in your rough copy. And next day I will repeat it again. Don't worry, if you not understood, I will repeat it again. So today you practice till here. Remain at home, be safe. May God bless you. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.